Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art by Ela. Today we are going to make a very exciting greeting card, a handmade greeting card that we are going to sketch, paint, cut it out and paste it onto a chart paper. So let's take a quick look how we can do it. Now for this, take a white piece of chart paper and draw this pattern. Have a closer look. See, this is how it looks. In the middle you have to draw a 5-petaled flower, and after you have done that, just draw the petals like this. Just keep on rotating the paper and draw out the petals evenly till the time your sketch, your design, your flower looks like this. See, take a closer look again. This is how it looks. Okay, very simple, very easy, nothing much to do, very simple. Just paint, just sketch it out, and now what we are going to do, we will color it. So once you have colored it, what we are going to do is we will cut out this design from this white paper and we will put it onto another chart paper which can be of any color. Okay, see, I have taken a yellow chart paper. I have painted the flower with pink and mauve. See, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, and see, it's glittering. In the middle I have pasted a golden colored flower. You can put anything, you can paint it also instead of putting a golden flower, and I have added some golden cutouts or just very fine strands of golden paper and put it on the petals to give it a beautiful look. So your ultimate design or your ultimate card looks like this. Isn't it pretty? So it's a very easy pattern or design that you can draw. You can draw it right now. Once you have seen or watched the video, just take a white chart paper, draw it out, cut it out, and make a beautiful greeting just the way I have shown it. So if you are really enjoying my videos that I'm uploading on my channel, please stay subscribed on my channel Art by Ela, and also don't forget to click on the notifications button so that every time a new video comes in, you get to see right away. So bye for today, and look out for some more exciting videos in a couple of days. Bye.